We're here outside the Chinese embassy in Northwest Washington. A 100 or more of the Uyghur community of the Washington area has just marched all.
Many Uyghurs who read the Quran, who are studying Islam, actually been persecuted in our country. They've been shot dead, they have been killed, they have been imprisoned until today. So many Uyghurs who actually just simply practicing the religion, when they went to Islamic countries, they have been deported, and when they went back to, when they have deported to China, they have persecuted them, they have killed them. They should support us exactly as same the way the democratic world and Western democracy is supporting us.
Gabiyanın ornu yokur götürüldü, bütün dünyadaki vatan içindeki Uygurlarını ispatlaktı.
I am so happy, so proud of her because of not because of only her, because of this incident has united our people as a one voice, and this is the very good relationship among our peoples. That's the most important thing I'm very proud of. And then she's the one who looking for me, says I am going to marry the guy who loves his nation, and I love him most.
Bugünkü matem vaxtıda
to demand justice, equality, and freedom, and those who died on the streets in blood, and those who were taken to the jail and hospitals, and those who were arrested in the middle of the night from their beds. This is the voice of my people. So the Chinese Communist, listen to me. I am here to mourn for the Uyghur people. Those who died in an unjust, unfair way on the streets. We are here to tell the world, to tell the truth, to demand justice, equality, and freedom.